Mirurungano tio kihonia kia mathina maria magomeire bururi, no miario gatagati ka mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto na mutongoria wa Ngwataniro ya azimio la umoja Raila Odinga no ihorohie ndugamano ya kiuteti iria ikoretwo ho gatagati ka miena ino yeri ya kiuteti. Ino ni miario ya Ngwataniro ya Athikabu kanitha wa Gatoreki magikomithia mirurungano iria ikoretwo igitabanio ni Ngwataniro ya azimio la umoja na guthararia thayu wa muingi riu magikihoya kuri President William Ruto agĩe na miario na Raila Odinga niguo gwetha kihonia kia maundu maria Ngwataniro ya azimio yendekithitie mamurikwo.
We come here today to plead and ask our President, His Excellency William Ruto, to follow through with his promise to sit with and listen to Honorable Raila Odinga and other leaders and come out with some reasonable proposals to address the main plights of our country, specifically the high costs of living.
Matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa Ngwataniro ino Muthikabu Martin Kivuva wa Mombasa, Anthony Muheria wa Nyeri na Morris Muhatia wa Kisumu ni moritie atongoria aria mari thirikari-ini matige kwihura githuri makiuga matigwitikira kugia na miario na atongoria mwena wa mung'ethaniro kuona undu uyu ndukurehe kihonia o giothe o tiga gututhura githagathago na ndugamano makiria.
The country is at a place where blame games by our leaders cannot address the country's myriad of problems and crises.
Oho ni moritie Raila Odinga metikire kwaraniria na President William Ruto niguo maiguanire uria mendekithia mao magutangikirwo.
By sitting and dialogue can resolve this dangerous standoff. The two need to establish a common ground to address the ills facing the country and restore the sanity we need.
Athikabu aya ni mamenereirie maabitha borithi ni kiria maugite ni makoretwo makihuthira hinya mukiruku kuhorohia githagathago kia mirurungano kuona kuri na namba ya andu aria matigitwo na nguraro njuru kurumirira mururungano wa muthi wa mwambiririo wa kiumia giki hamwe na gikuo kia murutwo mwe wa University ya Maseno.
Kenyans' lives matter. We urge restraint of the police in such occasions and ask them against the use of live bullets and excessive force that may cause injury to the people.
Oho ni mokiriire kwa muroko wa nini ama minister 50 makiuga bururi uyu wina mathina maingi maria mabatie kuheo muharini wa mbere kuona kwina moritu maingi.
The country has experienced a very serious drought, an ongoing banditry menace. People are struggling to make ends meet. The devastating cost of high cost of living and inflation.
Athikabu aya mekwaragio mari mwena wa Karen guku Nairobi.
A lot of this
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.